Welcome to Phúc VR channel. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel or buy me a coffee. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Glide. Glide is an image loader library for Android. Glide supports fetching, decoding, and display image or GIFs. Using Glide is very simple, which will help programmers save a lot of time when developing functions for loading image or GIFs. To use Glide in our project, we add the following dependency to build Gradle. In this case, I will load image from the internet, so I must use permission internet. So if you use Picasso library, you can see Glide in the same Picasso. It's easy to use, right? But Glide is not only that power, it is easy to load in image. But Glide can also resize. Center up and fit center and placeholder and arrow. In the next video, I will show you how to use Glide download the GIF. So, see you again.